Today we're going to fix an issue that many iPhone users face. Downloaded files or saved photos and videos from Telegram not showing up on your iPhone. Let's get started. So you've downloaded files or saved some photos and videos from Telegram, but when you check your Photos app, they're nowhere to be found. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, we have a solution. First, let's check Telegram settings to make sure everything is set up correctly. Go to Settings and scroll down and find Telegram. Make sure the downloaded option is all given access. Make sure it has all the access. Now let's make sure your iPhone allows Telegram to access your photo. In this, see whether your photos has full access to it or not. Now, if the automatic save isn't working, you can also save files manually. Open the chat with the files you want to save, tap on the photo or video, and then tap the share icon in the bottom left corner. From here, select save image or save video. The file should now appear in your photos. If you can't still find your files, it might be an issue with your iCloud photo library. Go to settings, then tap on your Apple ID and then select iCloud. Then tap on photos. If it's already on, turn it off and then back on. This can sometimes refresh your photo library and make the missing files appear. Finally, if all else fails, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches and refresh your system. And that's it, you downloaded files and saved photos or videos from Telegram should now be showing on your iPhone.